Hey there, folks. Welcome to Wig's Messy Woodworking Shop. Alright, as you can see, it definitely needs a good cleaning and straightening up and reorganization. So that's what we're going to be working on this weekend. Alright, are we making progress? Well, I guess you gotta break a few eggs to make breakfast or whatever that saying is, eh? But, well, that's the garbage so far. A little bit out of breath. But, yeah, so we got that all cleared off. So that's cool. Oh, getting old. But, yep. Just gonna keep at her, eh? All right, continuing on. Just spent the last hour cleaning cobwebs and stuff. The next project on the list is to go through my casting supplies, resin casting supplies. Got different powders and dyes and stuff. That's for another video though, hey? And then gonna move on to this area. This is the resin casting area, thus that's why I was going through the box there. We're gonna get this all squared away. And once we get that squared away, we'll move on to the next one. All right, so we got the entertainment center area all done. Looking good and tidy for the most part. So yeah, organize all that. And the cabinet's got to get done. But yep, got all the scroll saw. Just wax the top. Stuff to go there. And then after I get the cabinet done, that's all done there. Organize that, and then still there and there. But yep. So, but hey, look, man, I could see the workbench. Woohoo! And yep. So, but yeah, so this is a lot of work. It's amazing. Dust everywhere. Got rid of about 3 or 4 families of spiders, eh? But I don't know where they went to, but it's all right. So, all right, we'll move on to that. Like I said, we'll hit that, and we'll hit that, and then the whole front of the shop is done. And then still have to work on that. I know I was going to do that next, but I wanted to get that done. So, all right, it's hockey time. Blue Jackets and New York Islanders, eh? So, gonna watch that. Oh, we got the tool chest all cleaned up and squared away. So we got that, eh? All right, and the drill press is looking good. And then so the casting area. So we have the pressure pot, the vacuum chamber, vacuum pump, and the oven there. So that the vacuum chamber is obviously not going to sit on top of there when it's in use, but it's just there for storage for right now. So yeah, so pretty much almost the whole front of the shop is almost done. Like I said, still have to work on the desk and that storage cabinet there with all of my, you know, the paints and primers and all that kind of sort of thing. So we're just organizing all my lathe tools and such. Got some stuff from Robert Sorby, beating tool. And stuff for making threads, and a bunch of pen kits that I bought from Boxcar Jerry. We got our Nova 3 chucks. With these you can put different stuff on them. Yep. So we got this there. So just gotta go clean the lathe area over there. Get this stuff back over there, and then work on the shelving here. So this will be project after that. So basically we're cleaning the back half of the shop bay. So yep. And then yeah, we're almost done. So time to work on that. Get the lathe stuff back over here. All right, so these are all my pen blanks. And we got some nice barrel there. That's going to be projects. Bunch of scrap and cut-offs. Going to go through that. Probably chuck most of it. But yeah, we got some wood from Australia. These are some burled woods. And then all these pen blanks here. You know, we got some Osage and black walnut, black cherry, and all kinds of different varieties of stuff. Some more cut-offs there. But yeah, these are all my wooden pen blanks. So it says R, so what is R? You know, you look on there, and red oak. One of my favorites, curly maple. We got a bunch of dowels, different projects and such, but yeah, so I got the shelf all cleaned off and dusted, so need to organize my pen blanks, and then after we get our pen blanks organized, stuff back on the shelf there, and then we're just gotta work on the bandsaw and the combo sander there. And then that's my this is my pen making prep tray. Just a bunch of stuff obviously on there because we're in the middle of cleaning, but this is where I prepare my after I turn the pens on the lathe, I come here, disassemble it, and I keep my finishes and stuff there. But yep, almost done, folks. All right, so got the pen assembly station and finishing stuff squared away, and we got our shelving all cleaned up, our pen blanks, and some scrap wood there. I pretty much threw everything out, just kept that. It's exotic wood cut-offs and stuff. We'll do something with those. Got my burl there. Pen kits from Boxcar Jerry. Sandpaper. Hey, look who showed up. It's the Shop Kitty Jangle. What do you got to say there, Jang? Jang? Now you're all camera shy. Alright, so like I said, you've been cleaning the shop. So this is what a brand new air filter looks like. That goes up in the jet there. So when I started cleaning the shop, put a brand new filter in. Here is what it looks like now. It's crazy. Now this ain't the official jet air filter. These are just generic ones, because the official one that goes in there is about 60 bucks. So I don't want to waste it. But so I just bought these generic ones for now. But you can see how much dust accumulates. That's a brand new one. So we're gonna put the brand new generic one in, and we will we'll get the official jet one once the dust settles a little bit more. But yeah, I mean, this thing really sucks the dust out of the air. Now inside it, there's a secondary filter, and we will have to buy a new one of those because that's pretty clogged up. I blew it out before I started, and it looked bright white. You can see how much how well this dust air filtration works. I keep wanting to say dust collection. That's a dust collector. That's air filtration. So yeah, we're gonna have to replace that filter too. And then yeah, so all right, Jay, anything you want to say? All right, so cleanup is mostly done. We're gonna do a final tour here, and watch some hockey. Alrighty, folks, final tour. Got the finishing cabinet all cleaned up. Still have to clean out the inside and organize it a little bit more. It's got all my finishing supplies and cleaners and stuff like that. And we have fire extinguishers, safety third, So we'll still have to go through that. And a little working desk here, movies and music stuff. And got the entertainment center squared away. Watching hockey, of course. And we have down here, you can see spindle sander down there. And, table saw, Grizzly. I'm going to do a video on this, kind of a follow-up, and talk about this guy here, and most of the other tools. But we have the disc and belt sander, all nice and cleaned up. And we have our bandsaw, table all nice and clean. And over to the lathe area. We have our lathe here, dust collector back there. We have it's called the big mouth, so the shavings can go into there. We have our drawers pretty much organized except for this one. Keep all the chucks and stuff and life centers and things in there. The marking stuff. I need to get right now I'm just using carbide tools, but I need to get a sharpening system, and we'll get that set up when I graduate to actual turning tools. But for now I just use carbide tools, which don't require sharpening. We have the pen finishing station, building station there, and of course our pen blanks, some scrap wood for small projects, some burl, of course the pen kits from Boxcar Jerry, more finishing supplies there. All right, on here. And casting station. I need to get a new air compressor because the air compressor I had hooked up to the pressure pot is now my airbrush compressor. So I need to get a new air compressor for that. Vacuum chamber, oven for baking after the pressure chamber, or after the pressure pot, or actually after the vacuum chamber. So I'll do a video on that. Use cactus juice, impregnate the wood, and then you bake it. And, I use Aluminite for casting pen blanks. And our Nova DVR drill press. So this drill press is kind of unique in a way that you don't have to use belts to change speeds. It's all digital. You can go into the menu here, and it's got a speed chart. You know, you select your different modes. So like here you can select, you know, what kind of drill bit you're using. Say I'm using that drill bit, it's a Forstner bit. Pick the size, and then what kind of wood, and it'll automatically, and then you confirm, and it'll automatically adjust the speed, so that's kind of neat. And then homeowner type tools, nailer, 18 gauge, brushless, drill, driver, sander, grinder, sawzall, and this is for doing pen blanks. You put the pen blank in there and you center it. And we have our scroll saw, miter saw, clamps, all sorts of clamps, spindle sander. But yep, that's about it, eh? And then new tool for the workshop. I'll be doing an unboxing video on that soon. So, all right, folks. Took about 3 weeks to get her all done, but she's clean, ready to start making some projects. Start making some sawdust. All right, and that's it.